alright, it's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo. And we're going flipping mudding today. Woo-hoo-hoo! Well, that was a little badass right there, bro. Alright. I took my phone out of my pocket. That means it's time to go crazy with this mudding, boy. Woo! Oh! Yeah, so since nothing's really going on at the lot, we're just gonna make our own fun and do some mudding. Oh my god! I swear my whole bike went underwater almost right there. I'm literally soaked. We're crossing the lakes, boys. Bro, I just feel my back wheel fall so deep. It's crazy. Alright, screw it, we're crossing it. Holy! Yeah, we are soaked and we are literally out here right now. Oh fuck! Uh-oh. Whoa! Yo, I'm really out here solo dolo mudding right now, dude. Oh, this is all dried mud. Damn, I stalled her. Oh, she's smelling like she's going through work right now. After all that, bro, I stalled her. Holy... I had to take my gloves off because they were completely done. Alright, we're back on the freaking muddy 150. Can barely see through my visor. It was so gosh dang muddy. Let's go! Bro, look at my front fender. Y'all see that? I'm a little sketched out that my brakes are gonna like cut off because my back wheel, look at my freaking shoe. Look how muddy that thing is. Y'all see that? What a day, what a flipping day. I did not expect to get this muddy today, but there was nothing really else going on at the lot, so I was like, you know, I'm gonna have some fun, just solo dolo in the mud, bring it back to when I was a kid, because I know I'd love to do stuff like this when I was younger, bro. Alright, we're back at the mud pit. See if I can wheelie onto, woo, let's go. Let's hit a little DD for the fam. Woo! Let's go. Bro, look at this. I don't know what kind of bowler this is. Maybe y'all know. A little weird. Alright, let's see if we can get a sick no-hander. Woo-hoo! A little one. We're off. Holy crap. It's insane how much much torque this freaking bike has, bro. Every time I ride it, I'm just so surprised. Woo, let's go, bro. Gotta get a little used to this 150 again, but we're out here today. Woo. We lit, a little tune. Crazy how fast you can go on this shredding. That's the only thing with this freaking 150 is like off-roading is a little bit harder because the bike's a little smaller, so I feel like it's a little bit harder to control. For some reason a big bike feels a little easier, maybe because I'm bigger. Woo! Alright, let's see if we can get a little like a little no-hander. Let's go! Tune game. Easy. Little easy work right there. Little no-hander. Little stand up. Thought that was a GoPro at first. I was like, damn, I found a GoPro. But it's just a freaking headlight. Oh no! Bro, I just dropped half my freaking water. God. Well, yeah, guys. It's been an adventure. Mudding the 150. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Just cleaning myself up real quick because bro, look at my back. Bro. I can't even tell, but I feel like my back is covered in mud. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, stay motivated. We got some banger videos coming soon. I love you. Thanks for the support. Merch in the description down below. Till next time. Peace!